Hello, how can I help you?
Hello.
Yes.
Is this the Japanese restaurant?
한일관.
Yeah. I just ordered some sushi from you people last night. What's this green stuff?
Hello?
What's this green stuff?
Wasabi, Jim Bob.
Hold on, I'm asking the lady. Is this wasabi?
It's wasabi.
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 Where? Wasabi? Now, what is that stuff?
Wasabi, not wasabi.
Whatever it is. Can I eat this stuff?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me try some of this. Hold on, let me taste this.
Okay. Hello? Can you drink some hot water or something? Hello, how can I help you? Hello?
Hello there.
Yes, what can I do for you?
Yeah, that wasabi. My husband just tried something. My God, he's coughing up a storm.
You never tried that before?
Well, what is he going to do? I mean, it's stuff.
Can you drink some tea?
His tongue's all falling out and stuff. It's hot.
Can you drink some hot water? Let's drink some water, a little bit warm water. Can you drink some tea? Go to the hospital now.
Go to the hospital.
Yeah. Thanks, sister.
It's Richard
That's
and Sal.
the right line. Go to the hospital.